What's up, everybody? Landon with Edelbrock.com. We have Michael Schnick back today with his 1984 drift car. It's dyno day. We've been trying to dyno this thing for quite some time.
4 years?
4 years. So it's D-Day. Finally, we have Michael Schnick's car on the dyno. So he'll kind of run you through a little bit of the modifications, and then of course we'll touch base on some of the dyno technical data, and then we'll make some hits. So Michael, tell us a little bit about your car.
84 Fox Body. My then girlfriend, now wife, bought it for me. Drug it out of the field, slapped a 5.0 in it, 5-speed, 9698 rear end in it. Started driving it and just slowly been changing things as I go. Now it's running Edelbrock intake, Patriot 185 heads, B-cam, Shorty headers, H-pipe. It's got electric power steering on it. So the only accessories is the water pump and the alternator. Yeah. Other than that, it's just got a bunch of old school stuff on it.
Yeah, definitely some old school mods. Aluminum drive shaft. He mentioned T5. Yep. So pulls gonna be made in 4th gear, which is 1-to-1. I mentioned 373 gear out back. 17-inch tri-bar wheel with a
235/45.
17 tire.
17, yeah.
93 octane fuel. Still running the A9L.
Yep.
So kind of all that good stuff. Fox Body 101. So we're gonna make a couple hits and check out some results. Let's go ahead and take a look at some results here. I think Schnick's pretty happy with this. Yeah, we did quite a few runs. We're gonna only show you the one. This was pretty much the best run of the 4 we did. Car's peppy, 276.9 horsepower at 4,500 RPM, and then 328.4 pound-feet of torque at 4,300 RPM. And that was about what your number was, right?
Yeah, I was happy with anything over 250, but I was hoping 270, 325 was my actual number of what I thought it should make on a good day.
Well, I mean, I think it got there. Yeah. So with a little horsepower and torque to spare.
Yeah. So, especially with the low compression pistons that are in it.
Yeah. What are you telling me? It's out of
a Cougar. So the motor originally only made 150 horsepower. So I've almost doubled the factory horsepower.
At the flywheel.
Yeah.
And here we are at 270, just call it 7 at the tire. So pretty impressive. So love what you've done to the car. Michael has definitely made it his own. Just needs to get out to more drift events, right?
Yep. Seat time. Yep. That's all I'm going to focus on this year. Try to get out. We got a local track about an hour away now. I'm going to try and get out there at least 3-4 times this year. Hopefully by then I can get out of the skid pad class and start running tandems maybe.
There you go. Seat time.
Yeah, I'm a crappy drifter, wannabe, but you know, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
You just turn tires into smoke and have fun and giggle all day.
That's the name of the game. So, well, thanks for letting us dyno it. Glad we finally got it on the schedule. Y'all let us know what you think. Thanks again, Michael, for letting us dyno your car. We're going to sign off. If you find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and then until we see the next one. For all things Fox Body, keep it right here at The Real Enthusiast, Edelbrock.com.